In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up and streamline your live stream using Restream. We'll go through the essential steps, ensuring you make the most of your streaming setup without unnecessary hassle. So let's dive in and simplify your streaming process. First, head over to your Restream dashboard. Here, you have the choice to either create a new stream or edit an event or draft that you have already set up. This initial setup is crucial as it forms the foundation for your entire streaming session. Once you've chosen your preferred option, you'll find yourself on the stream setup screen. This is where the magic begins. Now let's talk about setting the stage. It starts with defining a captivating title and a clear, engaging description for your stream. These elements are not just formalities. They'll form the first impression for your potential viewers and are crucial for attracting the right audience. Take a moment to craft these with intent, thinking about what makes your content unique and why viewers should tune in. At this point, you might notice an Edit Options or More Details section for your streaming destination, often accessible through a drop-down menu or by editing the channel directly. This is an important section as it allows you to refine your stream's specifics further, such as selecting game categories or keywords. Let's break this down further for popular platforms. For instance, if your stream includes gaming content on Twitch, you'll want to specify the game category, making it easier for your target audience to discover your content. Meanwhile, on YouTube, adding keywords or tags can significantly enhance your searchability and reach. To do this for each destination channel, be it Twitch, YouTube, or another platform, locate the Edit option, usually symbolized by three little dots next to the channel name. Click it, and you'll uncover options tailor-made for enhancing your stream's visibility on that platform. Once you have set the game category or added the keywords and tags, make sure to hit the Save button. This ensures that all your settings are locked in and ready to work their magic. In some cases, you might notice that your tags don't appear as intended, or they seem not to carry through to the final stream. If that's the case, a simple yet effective fallback is logging directly into the platform's dedicated dashboard, like YouTube Studio or the Twitch dashboard. Here, you can ensure your chosen tags are in place, safeguarding your stream's visibility. Before you hit the Live button, it's always a good idea to conduct a test run. Consider creating a quick unlisted stream. This allows you to verify that all tags and categories are properly displayed in the destination platform's metadata. This test stream is invaluable for spotting potential issues early on without affecting your public viewer count. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for streaming success, connecting with your audience in meaningful ways, and ensuring your content stands out in a crowded digital space. Happy streaming, and I can't wait to see what you create.